Hi, it's Ashleigh from Sweet Dreams Bake Shop, and today I'm going to be sharing with you what a typical shop kind of looks like and how much each of the products that I usually purchase cost. I'm also going to be showing you right now all of the wonderful things that Satin Ice has gifted me. This is the second box they've sent me, and it is even more full of goodies. So the first thing I'm going to show you here is this Choco pan covering chocolate. It is fabulous. I've showcased it in another video, but I'm definitely going to do some more things with all of these new colors. I cut out the sound in this video, but if you heard me talking, you would hear me saying how excited I am that they sent me ivory, which is such a versatile thing to have in modeling chocolate, and they sent me several bins of it, so I'm super excited. I already made a fish cake if you want to see that in the right-hand corner. And that was shimmery silver fondant. Again, very excited for that. I was super intrigued with this box. They had never sent me something like this before. And inside of this box is a bunch of little fondants. And this is great, guys, if you're not super into making cakes on a regular basis, because you can have just that little tiny amount of fondant to open up and it'll stay nice and fresh. And if you just want a few different selections of colors without having to buy the whole bin, that is a great option for you. They also sent me a bunch of this really beautiful peach fondant and the fondant in white, which you guys know is my absolute favorite. Now moving along to my haul of things that I actually normally need on a regular basis. So I am going to be making a few fake cakes in the next coming weeks. So I stocked up on 8-inch and 10-inch styrofoams because I'm going to make 6-inch and 4-inch real cakes. And of course you need a nice thick cake drum to support all of that weight. I also bought a bunch of 6, 8, and 4-inch cake boards. These are a lot cheaper. They range in between 50 cents to about 75 cents each. Of course, you can buy more in bulk, but when you don't have a huge kitchen space and you're not doing a lot of orders at once, you kind of have to buy in smaller increments. The next thing I have here are some cake pop sticks, and if you guys watched my cake pop video from the other day, you'll notice that I ran out of these, so it's always good to continually stock up on those. You can never have too many, I find, and it's best if you buy those in bulk, but I'm just buying a little small amount today, and I think I have about 100 sticks here, so that should last me quite a while. The next thing I bought was finally a large enough bench scraper, guys, and I used to only see this available in plastic. Now I found it available in metal, which you guys know I love to do because I love to torch those so that I get the nice smooth buttercream. And oh, what fun is in this bag, a really cute Dory Cutter, and this is going to be for my son's birthday. We're having a Finding Nemo birthday. Now this wasn't actually $8.49, it was on sale. I rarely buy cutters when they're at full price now just because I have so many, so chances are I already have what I need, but I always check out the sales section. Now this next thing I am so excited about. I'm going to do a full review on all of these Color Mill products. They're brand new, or at least they're really new. I've never seen them before, and these are actually colorants that go into chocolate, so they're oil based, so I can't wait to see how those perform. Now these here are some leaf tips, and I bought leaf tips because yep, I garburated some of my leaf tips by accident. So that's a pretty typical shop for me, especially where I'm not buying anything extra really. I bought all of the things that I really need to actually get me through the weeks. I'm doing a few wedding cakes for friends, and I also have my son's birthday coming up, as I explained before. So there are a lot of different things that I have on the go, and I really needed all of those products, especially the leaf tip, because as you guys know from my tutorials, I love doing things with buttercream or royal icing, and I was really missing that fancy leaf tip. So that's a pretty typical shop, and I spent $113 Canadian on all of those products. And to conclude this video, please comment down below what you want to see me make with these Satin Ice products. If you're chosen, I will give you a shout out, so leave your Instagram handle or whatever handle you want me to shout out in my next video where I actually use these things. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you can be part of the Sweetie fam. Right now, I'm uploading weekly, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you know when I upload. Also, be sure to comment, request, or ask a question. I love hearing from you guys. Bye!